Commercial window replacement in Kenner, Louisiana supports storefronts, offices, warehouses, and mixed-use buildings with durable performance and better curb appeal. From window glass replacement Kenner, Louisiana to window frame replacement and custom window installation, businesses benefit from professional window installers who understand local weather, high-traffic properties, and long-term value. A licensed window contractor Louisiana business owners can trust can handle replacement window contractor needs, new construction windows, and window retrofit projects across Jefferson Parish window replacement services, including Metairie and Kenner window replacement, River Ridge window replacement near Kenner, and Marrero and Kenner window replacement services. Energy-efficient windows are one of the smartest house window upgrades for homeowners looking to lower utility costs and improve comfort. Energy-efficient window replacement Kenner, Louisiana projects often include double-pane windows, triple-pane windows, and vinyl window installation designed for insulation and noise reduction. For replacement windows for homes in Kenner, residential window replacement Kenner can also include window sealing, old window removal, and window repair and replacement to help improve draft control and indoor temperature stability throughout Kenner, Louisiana and nearby areas like AMA LA window replacement contractor service zones. Window replacement Kenner, Louisiana is in demand for homeowners who want style, durability, and performance in one upgrade. Whether the project involves sliding window replacement, awning window replacement, bay window replacement, casement window replacement, or awning window install, the right window replacement service can match the home's architecture and energy goals. Kenner, Louisiana replacement window contractor teams often recommend vinyl window replacement Kenner, Louisiana options because they are low maintenance, cost-effective, and ideal for house window replacement in Kenner and surrounding neighborhoods. Storm-resistant windows are especially valuable in Louisiana, where weather protection matters year-round. Storm window replacement Kenner, Louisiana can help improve impact resistance, reduce air leakage, and protect interiors during severe conditions. For homeowners seeking affordable window replacement Kenner, Louisiana, a window replacement service can provide double-pane window installation Kenner, Louisiana, window frame replacement, and custom windows in Kenner, Louisiana that align with both budget and performance needs. These upgrades are especially useful for homes near the French Quarter area window replacement near Kenner Corridor, where property owners often want enhanced durability and appearance. Residential window replacement Kenner, Louisiana should combine craftsmanship with proper product selection for each room and exposure. Professional window installers can recommend vinyl window installation, window glass replacement, and replacement window contractor solutions based on the home's age, layout, and energy requirements. Whether the job is window replacement services in Kenner for a single-family home or larger house window upgrades, the best window installers near Kenner, Louisiana deliver precise measurements, clean installation, and reliable results for Kenner, Louisiana window replacement projects. Window installation near Kenner, Louisiana is essential for both renovations and additions where performance and fit matter. New construction windows, custom window installation, and replacement windows for homes in Kenner all require accurate sizing and expert handling. A licensed window contractor Louisiana property owners depend on can also manage old window removal, window sealing, and window repair and replacement to ensure every opening is fully protected. From Kenner, Louisiana replacement window contractor services to energy-efficient window replacement Kenner, the right team can improve comfort and curb appeal across the region. Vinyl window replacement Kenner, Louisiana remains a top choice because of its strength, low upkeep, and energy performance. Many homeowners searching for window replacement Kenner, Louisiana want double-pane windows or triple-pane windows that reduce noise and improve insulation without sacrificing style. A window replacement service can also advise on sliding window replacement, casement window replacement, and awning window install options that suit both traditional and modern homes. For clients needing residential window replacement Kenner or window glass replacement Kenner, Louisiana, vinyl remains a practical and attractive solution. Commercial window replacement Kenner, Louisiana requires experience, efficient scheduling, and products built for demanding environments. From storefronts near Louis Armstrong New Orleans International Airport area window installers to offices throughout Jefferson Parish, A replacement window contractor can provide window frame replacement, custom window installation, and window glass replacement with minimal disruption. Businesses seeking commercial window replacement and window repair and replacement services benefit from professional window installers who understand local codes, safety requirements, and the needs of high-visibility properties in Kenner, Louisiana. Homeowners comparing window replacement services in Kenner often look for a balance of quality, affordability, and local expertise. Affordable window replacement. Kenner, Louisiana can still include energy-efficient windows, storm-resistant windows, and custom windows in Kenner, Louisiana when handled by the right team. Whether the project involves house window replacement in Kenner, window retrofit improvements, or window sealing for older properties, the best results come from a window replacement service that knows the local climate and the expectations of Kenner, Louisiana homeowners. Replacement window contractor services in Kenner are often chosen for their ability to handle everything from initial consultation to final cleanup. Old window removal, new construction windows, and vinyl window installation all require careful planning and skilled execution. For clients needing window replacement, Kenner, Louisiana, residential window replacement, or commercial window replacement, Kenner, Louisiana, professional window installers can tailor the job to the property, whether it is in River Ridge, Marrero, Metairie, Ama, or close to the French Quarter area. Window replacement near Kenner Market.